In this video, I'll show you how to improve your recording quality in OBS Studio. First, open the Settings menu and go to the Video tab. Set your base resolution to 1920 by 1080 or to match your screen's resolution. Then set your output resolution to 1920 by 1080 as well. This ensures your recordings will be in full HD. Next, if you see the downscale filter, set it to Lanxos for the best sharpness. Then set the common FPS value to 60. Click Apply at the bottom. Now go to the Output tab. Change the output mode to Advanced, then select the Recording tab. For recording format, choose MP4. It provides great quality with manageable file sizes. Scroll down to the encoder settings. Here you'll find options for bitrate. The higher the bitrate, the better the quality, but the larger the file size. A good starting point is 10,000 kilobits per second. For higher quality, you can increase it to 16,000 or even 20,000. If instead of bitrate you see CQ, remember the lower the number, the higher the quality. A CQ level of 18 is a solid choice for most recordings. If you're not recording gameplay, you can actually improve efficiency by going back to the Video tab and lowering the FPS to 30. This way, OBS only updates the image 30 times per second, giving you the same visual quality at a lower bitrate. Finally, click Apply, then OK. That's it. Your OBS recordings should now look much better. If this helped, don't forget to leave a like on the video.